Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ann, and today, let me tell you something. Do you see this glow? Do you see the baby wipes in the background? But do you see this glow? Yeah, girl, I got a facial. Okay, I needed one so bad, but your girl got one, and she did. And when you're stressed at work, what do? You spend money on yourself. So we're gonna have a little bit of a Sephora haul. I know I keep saying that. I've been apparently shopping like crazy because all my other videos are either shopping or shopping. Actually, they're all shopping. Either I buy it or my boyfriend buys it. I just like to shop. But we're having a no makeup look, and I think I deserve it, in a sense of like my skin feels and looks so good. Like, fucking look at that. Oh my god. Damn. Like, who's at the mirror? It ain't me, but it is. So, you know, got flaunt it. I love it. This is a hydrofacial. And she did, my main concerns were uneven skin tone, dark spots, hydration, and anti-aging, because your girl is old. So we're gonna, and she did just that. And then I rebooked for the next one because I'm not gonna stop. And we still have time to shop. So I was influenced. I was very, very much influenced. A lot of you know, I think I talk about it all the time. I was a Sephora girl back in 2014 to 2017. So these brands came out, and in the beginning, I wasn't too fond of them. I didn't like the new. It just wasn't for me. Well, anyways, guys, your girl bought it. Your girl has been influenced. I have a majority of skincare in here because I am trying to stray away from like Marshalls, Winners, TJ Maxx, and like that kind of skincare that I normally buy for like 10 bucks. It's not doing much for my skin, and I'm noticing it more and more, and I just need to like self-love my skin because this pays. Okay? So we'll start with the one makeup product because your girl got Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. This is in Cherry My phone is blowing up right now. It's crazy. This is in Cherry Blossom Cake. So I was going between like 7 different shades. Cherry Blossom Cake, Pound Cake, I was gonna say chocolate cake, Pound Cake, Banana Bread, Ube. Okay, maybe it wasn't 7, but like there was a good handful of colors that I was going to. This is Huda Beauty. Did I say that? I mean, you already know. Cherry Blossom. Come on. Anyways, your girl finally caved. This is the new. This is the new. This is the new packaging. This is the new. This is the new packaging. This is what she looks like. She is beautiful. This is Cherry Blossom, and it's sealed. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know if you guys, you probably do, but like the old packaging where like it like wasn't thing, and then anyways, so you know, because we're not like baking under our eyes anymore, but like we're baking. So this is the pink one. This is something that I was like, I really want to try this. Very, very excited to try this out. The next thing that I got was this. This is the Ole Henriksen Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. This is my sister's nighttime moisturizer. She loves this to pieces. Very, very good. Very expensive. Very good though. Very, very good. But that wasn't for me, so I did buy that. Or like, I picked it up for her. And then, guys, Glow Recipe. Remember that? Remember that hype? First came out, the dewdrops, everybody's like, oh my god, niacinamide, yes. Like, you know? Yeah, your girl wasn't with it. I didn't care about niacinamide. Niacinamides. Still can't pronounce it. Really don't care for it. I honestly don't even know what it does, nor do I, well, maybe I could find out what it does. It's everywhere. It's literally like niacinamide is in every single product. But I got these. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Grow Niacinamide Dew Drops Ultimate Glow and Plus Brightening. This is watermelon niacinamide, like I said, and I'm pronouncing it so wrong, so please don't hate me. Your girl doesn't use it, so your girl doesn't know. And hyaluronic acid. It's in this little cute bottle. Okay, guys, we know what this is. We've seen it before. It's never not something that we haven't seen. This is the box. Okay. Can I say, when I first initially tried that with my 10-step skincare routine back in the day, didn't work for me. I hated it. It pilled. It didn't work. Now, with your girl, simple skincare routine, literally 3 steps. We're gonna add some more though. 3 steps works phenomenal. Like, I love it. I don't like how tacky it gets, but I feel like with the tackiness, when you put your makeup under or on top, you're gonna be it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. But like I said, I need a new moisturizer. The whole point of this Sephora trip was that I needed a new moisturizer, and I just bought other things with it. So I got this moisturizer. This is the Glow Recipe. This is the Cloudberry Bright Moisture. Damn, it's like I knew I was dull in life. This is the Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. This is brightening plus nourishing. This is Cloudberry Seed Oil something, I don't know what that is, and a peptide something complex. Let me tell you what this does, because I don't even know what it does. Lock in deep moisture and brighten your skin with this emollient yet fast absorbing super antioxidants cream. Nutrient dense cloudberry seed works with CoQ10, a powerful brightening antioxidants to even and boost skin radiation. An advanced peptide lipid complex combines nourishing fatty acids and smoothing peptides for bouncier, glowy skin. Your girl didn't read that, but this is up my alley. This is what I'm looking for. Damn! Yo, I surprise myself sometimes. So I've already used it. Freaking amazing. Love it. It's so hydrating. Doesn't smell like anything. Super hydrating, super glowy, glides on the skin, makes you look plumped AF like you just got Botox with the expressions. And then this is, so I bought like this, and then this this thing, the cream is in, it comes out, and then you just replace it, because you know they're trying to like save the earth and stuff like that. So I can actually finally take this up. But so I got those two really work well together. I mean, they are Glow Recipe and we are glowing, and I've been using those two since last week. So it's really nice. I'm really liking the way that it's working on my skin. It's really good. Yeah, like I said, this works so well. Let me read you what the serum does. This achieves a dewy glow with this versatile brightening serum that instantly illuminates skin while visibly reducing dark spots and hyperpigmentation over time. Inspired by makeup artists' go-to tricks for glowy skin, this clinically effective hydrating gel is formulated with niacinamides to even and minimize the appearance of pores, plus watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid to help to deeply hydrate. It's up my alley. It's up my alley. Okay? I can throw that bag in the garbage now. I've been waiting for it. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. Thank you for coming on this journey. Thank you for showing me support. Thank you for everything that you guys do for this channel and helping me be able to create more and more and more content for you guys. I freaking love to do this. I don't know if you guys can feel my energy. I am so happy right now. It is 1:30 in the afternoon on a Thursday, and I can't wait to see you guys. Don't forget, okay y'all, please don't forget to subscribe, to share this with your friends, to family, cousins, your cousin's friend, you know, all over the world. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell, so you know when my next video is coming out. I am trying a new time, so we are going to be doing something a little bit different for a good 6 months. So all my content is now going to be on Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're in Eastern Standard Time, we're going to be having, you know, dinner together. We're going to be watching dinner together, you know, eating dinner together, not watching. We're going to be watching me while we eat dinner together, you know what I'm saying? Because we are, let's face it, we all have electronics everywhere. And then if you're not in Eastern Standard Time and you're like in Pacific or Mountain or Atlantic or whatever, please convert, because I don't know. I only know my Eastern. 3 hours behind, you know what I'm saying, just letting you know. And this video is going to come out super late because it is currently February and this video is going to be posted in March. But one of my videos hit almost 1,000 views, and I just wanted to sit there and say thank you guys so much for showing your support. And just, you know, like, I didn't think I was gonna have that one video do that well, and it's 2025. My dreams are no longer limited, so I can't wait to see you guys more and more and to create this freaking community together. Don't forget to follow my TikTok as well as my Instagram as well as my Facebook. Your girl's on all the socials, AMRBEAUTY __. No matter where I am, that's how you find me. And yeah, thank you guys again so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. You guys are going to be seeing a Temu haul again because your girl can't stop. It's an addiction. It's really bad. But thank you all so much. Bye, lovelies.
Am I really that much?